Hey there. Welcome to That Writing Life with Dr. D. I'm Dr. D, but you can call me Stacey. I thought I'd come and tell you guys just a little bit about me and why I wanted to start this channel, and more what I want for you to get from it. So I'm an English teacher. I've taught at the college level for pretty much my whole adult life. So I wanted to start this channel for a couple of reasons. The first one is really because I love spending time with my students. Really love it. I don't always love grading the papers, but I love spending time with my students. And I teach all the English composition classes. I teach college success and critical thinking, which is one of my favorites. I teach literature classes, I teach humanities and American history, philosophy, and ethics. So I'm really fortunate that I get to teach sort of a wide variety of topics. But the thing that I hear the most from my students is that they're not good writers, they don't like to write, they don't want to write, they don't understand what it has to do with their major. I just hear a lot of defensiveness and resistance towards writing. And I get it, because I think writing is often made to be a very painful experience for lots of people. And what I would like to do here is to make that experience way less painful. Like, what if in your academic writing or your writing for your business life, you could think, I got this. You could think like Marie Forleo in her wonderful book, Everything is Figure-Outable. Like, that is my mantra in our classes. Everything is figure-outable. If you are here, that means you have the resources and you have the smarts and you have the drive to get this going, to figure this out. So now, wouldn't it be nice to have someone who could help you to break it down in some steps, and then you could just kick ass on that paper for school, whatever kind of paper it is. Wouldn't it be nice to sit down and, instead of being like super tense and really dreading it, to stop and think, I got this. This is gonna be rad by the end of it. That's really what I want for anyone coming to my channel who just feels kind of icky about the writing. I hope to help you become unickied. Is that a word? I don't know if that's a word. So my second reason that I really wanted to start this channel was a writing journey. So my whole life I've been a huge reader, like big bookworm always. You know, my mom yelling at me because I'm like bringing a book to the dinner table and trying to walk across parking lots, reading a book, that kind of thing. Took lots of creative writing camps as a kid. And in my adult life, the writing has been really sporadic. You know, I've started a couple of blogs because I want to write, and I want to write about things I'm interested in. I've journaled intermittently throughout my life, written about some of the travels that I've done some copy editing, done some things like that. I mean, obviously I had to write my dissertation to get my PhD. Have written some conference papers, things like that, but I've just always wanted to do more with writing in my life, and I've just never quite been able to pin it down and pinpoint it, figure out what I wanted to do. So I thought that this would be a great opportunity to really explore all things writing with you guys. I really want to talk about writing and all the ways that we benefit from writing in our lives. And there are so many, whether it is writing our own stories, whether it is writing our family's story, whether it's writing for business, whether it's writing for profit, whether it's writing for mental health. There's really no part of our lives that I feel like writing doesn't have a place in. You know, there's always a way in which writing is going to help us to expand and grow and leave a legacy, leave a record of ourselves for other people to find one day. So I thought we would kind of take this journey together. We would explore some writing communities, some writing apps, different ways that we can write better for life in practical ways, maybe in some less practical ways, but that really feed our souls, that we might do some book reviews, that we might do some product reviews. So I really just want us to kick back, have a good time, and really just like write our asses off. And in some of my videos, you'll probably hear my 5-pound Chihuahua snoring or my 100-pound Dogo just going mad through the house. So don't mind that. But I'm gonna wrap this up now just with the idea that there are so many words inside all of us that, I know it sounds so cheesy, but that want to get out, right? We all have a voice. We all have powerful thoughts. We all have ideas and things that are important to us and ideas that we want to communicate to the rest of the world. And I am not an expert in that, but I have taught a lot of people, a lot of students, how to get a bit better at it, and I'd like to keep making progress myself, both as a student and a teacher. So I'm really excited about what we can make out of this channel together. I hope that you will become part of the family, that if any part of this video has sort of touched your soul or spoken to you or resounded with you a little bit, that you'll click the like button, and that maybe you'll think about joining the Dr. D's scribe family of crazy haphazard writers, and maybe we'll get to be a little less haphazard together. But if nothing else, we're going to have a good time and we're going to get some writing out of it. So thanks so much for spending this time with me, and I'll catch you guys next time.